Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build language immersion at home with FluentU beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by selecting the target language you want to immerse yourself in. Download the FluentU app from your preferred app store. Create an account on the FluentU platform. Choose your language and your proficiency level. Explore the variety of content available, ranging from music videos to movie trailers. Take note of the interactive subtitles provided for each video. Play a video and read the subtitles while listening carefully. Pause frequently to repeat phrases out loud. Use the vocabulary tool to save new words and phrases. Review these saved words regularly to reinforce your memory. Incorporate FluentU's quizzes to test your comprehension. Set daily goals for your language practice with FluentU. Integrate FluentU into your daily routine by watching videos during meals or commute. Engage with the community features for language exchange opportunities. Practice speaking with a language partner using the skills you've learned. Experiment with different genres of content to diversify your learning. Gradually increase the complexity of the videos as you become more comfortable. Maintain a journal to track your progress and reflect on your learning. Stay consistent and patient as language immersion takes time. Create an inviting space at home for your language practice. Surround yourself with posters, flashcards, or notes in your target language. Remember to enjoy the learning process and celebrate small victories. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.